Well, uh, this is what is the magic of master's hand. Wishing uh, all of us have teachers and all of us are masters for ourselves and also to our students. We wish we become one such finest masters and can bring out the worth of students. Be a master of one such. And always proud to say that I'm a teacher worth of being one to change the lives of the people. Thank you so much for your patient watching, and then hope this presentation of mine and talk of mine has added some values to your understanding of positive attitude. Thank you so much.